Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be doing part 3 of the business series. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that work for me. That way you can feel confident and be prepared to send some bids. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. So the first step I would say is do research on whatever project that you're going to be bidding. The best way to do this is to find out what the market value for such a project in your area is going to be. This can be kind of tough sometimes. You might want to call some businesses, maybe request some estimates. Now, a lot of people will not give an estimate over the phone. So you may need to get creative on this one. I've actually pretended to be a little old man that had a lot of doctor's appointments. You know, I'm too old to meet with a bunch of contractors. Can you tell me how much it costs to put on a roof? And then they'll give you some kind of something. Who wouldn't want to help out old man? If you can't do that, then get your wife or girlfriend to call and set up some bogus estimate and get some prices. 2, decide on what kind of form, what kind of estimate style that you're going to be doing. Now, a lot of people use QuickBooks or some kind of other bidding program. I find that lacks personality. Creating your own estimate style gives kind of a personal feel to a business-like process. Now, your estimate should include a logo, a tagline, date, address, description of work to be done, an estimated time of completion, and some sort of guarantee. Even if it's 30 days or 6 months, people like to feel warm and fuzzy when they know that they have a guarantee. Like, I can call this guy anytime and he's gonna rush right over and take care of me. The tough part of that is, if they do call, you actually do have to rush right over there. Number 4. When describing the work, use safe terms that will let the customer know exactly how much work that you're going to be doing, so he expects nothing more and he expects nothing less. Terms like replace as needed or match with like style. Also, replace faucet with standard bathroom faucet. If they ask for something specific like a Delta faucet, then you want to make sure that your estimate also reflects that. Number 5 could be the tough part. Coming up with a price. Now, this is not rocket science, but it basically comes down to how good you are or how confident you are in your work. Don't feel everyone wants the best deal. People don't mind paying for better quality work. A good repair tech should be making between $75 and $100 an hour. So the formula would be your hourly rate plus material cost. Any material that you buy should be upcharged 30%. If you purchase a $300 door for a customer, you should charge them $390. And don't forget all the things it's required to install that door. Shims, caulk, insulation. $90 might seem like a lot just to purchase the door, but it's not just purchasing it. It's paying for it, it's going to pick it out, it's hauling it to the job and getting it there undamaged. 6, let them know if you require a deposit. Basically, anything over $1,000, you should get half down for. That helps to pay for your material costs and also pay your help if you have some. That'll keep you from doing large jobs out of your own pocket. You might also throw in a note about you will be hauling away all the debris and construction trash. A lot of times I'll drive by a house and see like a toilet sitting out on the yard, and I just know it's some cheesy contractor that didn't haul away their toilet for them. Number 7, make sure you let customers know how they can pay. Make it easy for them. A good idea is to accept credit cards, something like a credit card reader app like Square Reader or something like that. Lets customers know that, hey, you can charge it. You might also want to pay any credit fees to help influence their decision to give you the job. Number 8, email it over earlier than you told them it would be there, and be cheerful. Hey, it was great meeting you. I'm really excited about your project. Something along these lines. You can also use your Gmail or your mail server to archive each and every invoice and estimate that you send over. It's a good way to keep an online filing system of all the work you've done. That's a free tip. And the final thing, do not be discouraged. There's always somebody more expensive and there's always going to be somebody cheaper than you. Be confident in your bids, your work, and yourself. You can do this. So that's it. Just a few tips on how to prepare a bid and send it to a customer and get that bid. I'd love to know what you think about the video. Comment down below. Share with me what works for you and what doesn't work. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you need help with logo ideas or slogans, I love doing that. Shoot it over to me. I'll help you out if I can. So for Home Mender Inc., this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.